How to forward voice messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, go to the direct message tab and further open the message from where you want to forward the voice message. Now, tap hold on the voice message you want to forward and further in the menu that appears, tap on the forward option. Further, go ahead and select the individual whom you want to forward the message to, and with this, as you can see, the message has been forwarded. So, this is how you can forward voice messages on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.